Well, I sure don't hear anything from this distance. I've got a little small heater running in the background. It's still just another cool day here. So let me get the audio generator hooked up, and let's generate a audio tone here back to the volume potentiometer. Okay, I've got the audio signal generator hooked up, and let me just check the amplitude here. And I'm going to generate a signal right around 600 hertz or so, a sine wave. And let's see, that's off position. I'm going to start here on the high side of the potentiometer, and I think that's going to be this side here. And that's a good sign. You can probably hear that over my heater. Turn the volume up again. I'm on the high side of the potentiometer. And let's just make sure there's the taper itself, and of course the other side's the ground. So the audio section seems to be working okay, so most likely the problem is in the RF section. Okay, I have my RF signal generator hooked up. I'm modulating a tone, and we're at the IF frequency of the radio. I don't have a schematic, but this area right up in here should be the RF section. So by using this small loop, as I get near the that particular part of the circuit or transistor, we should hear if the oscillator is working and the RF section is working. We should hear something. So again, this you can tell is the audio section. Probably 3 transistors associated with the audio section, and the other 3, looks like 2 being IF, RF, and then maybe the converter itself. So I'm probably not going to get anything in this area, and we don't. Nothing here. And we start to get something here in this area. And I'm probably blocking that from view, but as I get near this transistor right here, I'm picking up the 455 kilohertz IF frequency, so that's a good sign. Okay, I have the RF generator realigned now to 1 megahertz, and just tuning around here, and occasionally I'll get something. But let me show you what I discovered. Again, I'm just using this as a pickup coil or a little transmitter, but I'll just use this as a probe. When I touch this transistor, so let's pop this thing out and take a look and see if we just have a simple open solder trace here on the back side. Again, we haven't recapped this. Would expect the capacitors to be problematic as well, but you can tell by the troubleshooting we've been doing, the problem resides in the RF section. And let me flip it over here, and we'll get it out of the case and take a look. Looks like we've got 2 small screws. Alright, let me bend these ears back.